Searchers, it's me Gabby, and in today's video I will be sharing with you guys my favorite makeup products of all time. This is not a sponsored video, this is just me letting you guys know which one are my favorite products and why they are my favorite products, the kind of things that I wear on a daily basis almost if I was wearing makeup all the time. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have the same makeup products, why do you think they're so great, or if you have different ones for completely different reasons, or if you hate them, you know, I always want to know your thoughts. If by any chance you are a beauty blogger, a beginner, or an expert, doesn't matter, as long as you are a makeup lover and you would like to be featured on this channel, please let me know in the comment section down below. We would love to have you be part of our community, and who knows, maybe the next video you'll be the one behind the camera. So let's get started. I'm currently wearing all my favorite products, so you're going to see, you can actually see how they look on me and maybe why they're my favorite. The products that I prefer the most is always a lipstick. I have so many lipstick in my collection, but there is yet one that I always go back to because I think it looks so cute on me, and that is the Unicorn Blood by Jeffree Star. So I use this lipstick winter, summer, spring, fall. It really doesn't matter. I wear this in barbecues in the summer. I wear this in the winter, you know, when I go out or something. I think it is a pretty timeless sort of color that you can wear at all time. And what I really like about this product is that it is a matte lipstick, so there's no shine, yet it isn't drying. And I really like that because a lot of time when you have liquid lipstick, they're really drying on your lips, and to me it doesn't feel that bad. Usually when you have a lot of red pigment, it usually like goes everywhere, but if you're pretty careful with it, I mean, like, don't just eat oil or something, but if you're careful with it, this actually can last you long. And this is why I love the Jeffree Star brand, is because usually it will last long. This product has a little smell to it, but it's honestly not that bad, and once it's dry it will completely go away. Like, I can't smell anything, and I'm a pretty sensitive person when it comes to smell. So this is why it is my all-time favorite, probably my all-time favorite beauty product actually, of like everything. I just love it so much. The second thing that I look for in makeup products is eyeshadow. I know some people prefer eyeshadow and then lipstick, but for me it's the opposite. I really like the lipstick. But I think it comes to no surprise, like I'm sure a lot of people love this palette. It is the Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I absolutely love this palette because there are beautiful shades. And I know this is only my personal opinion, and I am not a blonde, blue-eyed lady. I am a brunette, both, you know, in the eyes and my hair, but I feel like this really works with my complexion of, I have a pretty fair skin, pale with pink undertone, and my brown hair and my brown eyes, and this palette is everything. I have also like brown eyes, but they're pretty light, and this really works with the orange tones, and just this whole palette as a whole really works for me. What I like about it is that there are some shades that are matte, there are some that are sparkly, but every single one of these shades have insane coverage. You have to really just go lightly in the palette and it will show immediately on the eyes, and this is something that I really enjoy because I don't like spending a lot of money on a product that I have to like use half, you know, the eyeshadow for it to show, because I think that's not fair. And I really like the price of this. It was not too expensive. So this is definitely my top one eyeshadow that I own, and I own a couple, so like that's to say something at least. The next product that I really enjoy is the NARS Orgasm Blush. So I know that it's a stick, it is not a powder, and what I really appreciate about that is because I travel a lot from Montreal to Toronto, which is my school in Toronto, and I'm originally from Montreal in Quebec, Canada, and I take, you know, different sort of transportation all the time, and it always almost get broken when it's powder. And what I really like about the NARS blush that is in a stick is because that's really hard to break. It's a pink sparkly blush, so there are some sparkles in there. They're pixie ducks, they're really cute. And there's not the most coverage, so there could be more coverage, but it's also a blush. It's a cream blush, so I feel it's easier to remove some blush with powder because you can just like go ahead, but removing cream, you're gonna remove some foundation, you're gonna remove some concealer and stuff. So I don't know, like I feel like this is really working well for me, and it's one of my favorite products now. I'm going to continue with also face product, and this is the Mask Stick Trio by Fenty Beauty. So in here you have, I know I'm cheating a little bit, but this is 3 products. You have a concealer, a contour, and a highlighter product in there, but I feel like it's one because they all come together, at least in this case. And what I really enjoy is that the coverage for the concealer is full. When I use it, I think this is the one product I use the most, probably because I look tired all the time. It is such a good product. I just blend it, put some powder on it, and I'm good to go to school. And this is the only sort of product that I'm like, I have to. I'm a college student. I need help sometimes with the bags under my eyes, and this is my go-to. I also appreciate the contour and the highlight because that is perfect to go to school. It's very subtle, and it doesn't have the most coverage by all means for that contour and highlight, but I think it's the perfect thing to wear during daytime. If I was going at nighttime, if I was going to party or a club, I'd wear probably something else. But this works for my everyday sort of look. So I wanted to finish with another product that I love, which is the Urban Decay Troublemaker Mascara. I have the actual little mascara that they sent in the mail. If you put your email online, they would send it to you and ship it to you before it got released. And I thought that this was the best mascara I've ever had in my life. And it really made my lashes really dark and very long, and it was beautiful. So this is one of my ultimate favorite products that I have. I really enjoy how it goes on my lashes, and I think it makes them nice. A lot of people are like, oh my god, are you wearing fake lashes? And I'm like, no, I'm not. It's just a really good product to have in your makeup collection. And honestly, it is not that expensive. Is it expensive? Is it more expensive than the drugstore? By all means, yes, it is more expensive. But usually mascara kind of lasts me a long time for some reason. So I was like, this is a good investment for me. I really like the price, and it really works well for me. So these are my 6 products that I enjoy the most. I would say that I really like these products for different reasons, but it's also because they're different places on my face, so this is probably why I enjoy them so much. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, if you like or dislike the video or the products themselves, you can let us know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell to get more news from us. And again, if you're a vlogger, beginner, or expert, but you're still a makeup lover and you want to make some videos for us, please let me know in the comments. I will get in contact with you or someone from our team. If you want to check out our platform, head out to wesearch.com and use this code to create your account. And then you can start making reviews. I hope that you guys enjoy, and I will see you next time. Bye!